fans are just begging for a visit from the Tooth Fairy.
Meet Derek Thompson.
What a hit!
I've got more penalty minutes than anyone else in the league, yeah.
He doesn't believe in fair play.
I just told my mom you're actually pretty cool, and you stopped trying to bond with me.
I'll take that deal.
My tooth is gone! Please, there's no money!
And he doesn't believe in fairy tales.
Tess, let's just get this out of the way. There's no such thing as a...
Bang! Oh, here it is. You know what your problem is? You can't say what if.
Now, he's about to receive
Mr. Thompson, you are guilty of killing dreams.
the ultimate penalty.
You are hereby ordered to serve time as a tooth fairy.
I need some air!
What?
I'm not feeling
Next year,
Any assignment you miss, you get another week.
he's tuning up.
Get him into flying school.
Oh, you better not.
And he's gearing up
Shrinking paste.
Big Daddy doesn't want to get small.
for the biggest game
I'm the tooth fairy!
of his life.
Cat away. This thing will come in very handy.
You're not exactly embracing the tooth fairy spirit.
I'm embracing it, all right. But I'm doing it. My way.
20th Century Fox and Walden Media invite you.
Who are you?
I'm the Tooth Fairy. Oh, yeah.
To believe in magic and follow your dreams
Either you come out or we're coming in.
wherever they lead.
While you wet. Shut up. Oh!
Dwayne Johnson
I'm just here for the tooth, sir. Just a tooth.
and Julie Andrews.
The worst tooth fairy ever.
Can I get a little help here?
Tooth Fairy.
Amnesia dust.
Yeah, right.
That's how it works.
That's how what works.
Amnesia dust. That's how it works.
That's how what works.
Never gets old.
Being a teenager can be rough. Trying to fit in, who's cool, who's not. But if the world doesn't fit you, you're totally hosed. Try being a 200-pound teenage dog. Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
I'm driving over here.
Relax. Forecast, sunny with a chance of slobber.
Are you sure you don't want me to lock you in? Mom!
Okay.
Have a great day, sweetie pie! Let me just say for the record, the middle school is the dumbest idea I've ever invented. This place is an intellectual wasteland. You got kids like me who haven't hit their throat screen yet, mixed in with gorillas who have to shave twice a day.
Based on the best-selling book.
Don't look at anyone. Don't sit down.
So not happening.
Who am I kidding? You'll be dead or homeschooled by the end of the year anyway.
Thank you for those words of motivational wisdom.
20th Century Fox presents Greg.
I heard girls say that Bryce Anderson has a cute butt. A butt can't be cute. It's a butt. There's Bryce. Just be cool. Hey, Bryce. Yeah, hey, Bryce. Cute butt.
Rowley.
This one, we burned. It was a present from my mom. Well, then your mom is trying to get you killed.
Patty.
Make him mute! She's a girl. Where do I grab her? Stop. Oh, she stopped.
Fregley.
Wanna see my secret freckle? It's got a hair in it.
Roderick.
What did I tell you to have? If you ever in my room again, I'm going to kill you.
Run!
Let go, baby hippo.
Manny. And Coach Malone.
You guys are going to be shirts, and you will be skins.
Why are we skins? He's just trying to make kids like us feel bad. What do you mean kids like us?
My name is Valentine Button. What's yours?
One day I'll be rich and famous. But for now, I'm stuck in middle school with a bunch of morons.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
This is not a diary. It's a journal.
Zeus?
Poseidon. It's been many years. What do you see?
Thunderclouds.
No lightning. Stolen. What? You think I took it?
Omnipotence has blinded you, brother. We are forbidden from stealing each other's powers.
But our children aren't. You're accusing my son. I haven't seen him since he was a baby. He doesn't know me or even know who he is because of you. If your son is the thief, I will send him to the depths of Tartarus. If you touch him, you will have the fight of your life. He must return the bolt to me in 14 days, by midnight on the summer solstice.